In this video, I'm about to compare Meta Business Suite and Business Manager. Meta Business Suite and Business Manager are both tools for managing Facebook and Instagram business activities, but they serve different purposes. Meta Business Suite is an all-in-one platform that helps businesses manage their Facebook and Instagram accounts, including posts, messages, ads, and insights. It streamlines social media management by providing a centralized dashboard for scheduling posts, responding to messages, and tracking performance. The platform can sometimes be slower or buggy, leading to delays in loading insights or publishing content. Meta Business Manager is a centralized platform that allows businesses to manage their Facebook and Instagram assets, ad accounts, and team permissions in one place. It provides secure access control, allowing businesses to manage multiple assets and users efficiently. The interface can be complex and overwhelming, especially for new users unfamiliar with Meta's ecosystem. In my opinion, Meta Business Suite is best for the daily management of content, messaging, and performance insights. However, the Business Manager is more focused on permissions, assets, and ad account management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.